Welcome to Spyder Auto's LED Lightbar headlight installation guide for a 2010 to 2012 Ford Mustang. The tools needed are a ratchet, 7, 8, and 10mm sockets, and a panel popper. Let's start by opening the hood. Then remove the radiator cover. It's held on by 8 push clip fasteners. Then, in the wheel wells, remove the 2 7mm bolts on the sides of the bumper. Under the bumper, remove the 4 7mm screws. To release the bumper, remove the 2 remaining 8mm bolts above the bumper. Unseat the bumper and disconnect the side marker harnesses. Remove the 2 10mm bolts underneath the headlight. Then remove the 10mm bolt above the headlight as well as the push pin fastener next to it. Unseat the headlight, then unplug the wiring harness. Bring over the new light, plug in the harnesses, then seat the light. Lightly install the 10mm bolt above the headlight. Reinstall the 2 10mm bolts below the light. Adjust the light to seat properly. Then go ahead and tighten the 3 bolts holding the light to the car. Bring over the bumper and reconnect the side marker harnesses. Then seat the bumper. Reinstall the 2 8mm bolts on top of the bumper to secure it in place. Then reinstall the 2 7mm bolts on each side of the bumper as well as the 4 7mm screws under the bumper. Close the hood and your installation is completed. Congrats, you just installed your Spyder Auto LED Lightbar headlights on your Mustang. Before taking your vehicle back on the road, make sure to check all electrical connections and light functions. Thank you for viewing the Spyder Auto installation video to assist you. For more products and information, please visit www.spyderauto.com.